ma because they be on the school or call your officer papa no and no person in bano ekobie and to omo na no mo involved. Majority of Ghanaian parents don't even get involved. It's a record fact. A record fact say majority of Ghanaian parents and your mona almost making decision in terms of a chronic school or muchusu. Either say a chronic betty enough for and I say school now school papa no one ma you will teacher or bet you say for school way for school way for school way. Munye parents in free GS4 munye parents in free. Now let teachers no more no in fact no more so. Counselors no more school now and I say guidance now also more guidance krano na fa so be na e wo mo so. It doesn't make any sense. Me call secondary school. Me fa at this school first choice. Me fa Pam secondary second choice. Me fa Kumaka third choice. And I'm say metia wu kakra ntino me nya score na me de be at this school for am fa me. Anya me na me ko ka chiro bi say on fa me nko Pam secondary school. GS for now they place him into Apam secondary school and also Apam secondary school you did memory resource no kokoma wa mo no and Apam for egie man kwa Apam the only time I me kwa Apam aye time I bring me prospectus me ne ma me ko school ho aye ko ye ne ma asa ya mo fi say yan ko school ni bia na hwe maka omanpanyin na nado wakofa sade pawo yaba se ne be ya Ghana ni akọ bia benya school akọ na se oma ye de agya mo se mo hwe entoto niema ema niema nya ye no se mo nya niema ni ya don't blame other people. Ghana I pay blame game too much. You pay blame game too much. Maybe so with all due respect.
Asempa FM
up till about mid 80s now and I say early 90s now. Now you want normal friend say A level, O level no. That's how we be all. What is it? I see the Nkra Akogu Kumasi Sports Stadium and Accra Sports Stadium. Maybe sir. Are they nanya the same second Okoka and Nkra no doso. Tetino sa na Nkra no doso. Tetino sa na Nkra. Tetino na Nkra bi ono ma omon pass omon go school. Sa tetino obia near wa to fourth choice. Near wa fourth choice. Because your schools are is classified as first grade schools. Near what second tier schools. What third tier schools. And what fourth tier schools. Not to make us say be a migu school be any masse. Your schools yen na ni schools to say Achimota, Prempeh College, Prempeh College, Wesley Girls, St. Peter's, St. Mary's, Pope Jones, anyone wanting in ano, Opokuware, Bakwe, Archbishop Portes, Mauli Secondary School, Tamale, no more two school, Temasco, any bakono. They were graded special schools. And sana schools should be yes, you come in Kroma schools, you know. Bebre were second grade, Agre Memorial, Ghana National, Miami School, Apam Secondary School, even though Sena, we were highly good in economics, in terms of arts. Apam was one of the best schools. But still, and then we had the schools that were known for science. Your schools should be now they were science schools. Near our schools to say Suhum Seltek. And it's animal in na. And number 2 and ya every and says I say, Yanama Sabi, Yahuna at the papa no and fast one is so. My idea is idea and ya. More fix it. na munya de mo kire no so de empa kire no say excuses na mo man munyai many time Krista you say wunya 1 year ebia from 90 to 100 obi onya 90 to 100 bia one distinction yan kan kire me say me first choice me nya no obi nya 99 no me nya 98 no yan fa me say me first choice no obi a school bia wo score oje and it's our first choice how choose here no we score ni with grades you know and they automatically push your far and I say wo form no to your second choice amunya de mo kire no ad education yes na nkwa na ye education wo Ghana mo de abata akwakogu ewiaso mo de nkra akwakogu ewiaso ya ka mo mienka na mo excuse dem ehini kra say obi say yesabo yes GS for press release bi omu deputy papa no ba ha no na friend say ne din mi afini din say am for na sabotage system Ghana for dem de bia obi sabotage system election obi sabotage system national ID obi sabotage system mu de bibia obi sabotage system mu nya de ya ka mo yanka happen no na akra na ya ka say ni community school mu nya de mo kire no say na mo so maye ama more options aba am Krane has a better. Why are we going through this? That's the question I'm asking. Why are we going through this? That is what we should ask. Because a Nema improvement abema, we shouldn't go through this. But the question is, you are afraid to talk about the elephant in the room, which is protocol. Protocol. Munyina munim. Protocol na ehona ukoka yesit protocol 10%. Protocol should be 0 until say you have qualified people. Ewie me say Dr. Kumbo, former minister for health, or Asempa NDC minister. Was some the money protocol or medical school. Krista was so kolebuno because of the protocol student to call hono. Obako na doctor no or your protocol doctor. Now obi awa bon one qualified for medical school near the arrangements near the neko nipa no obetimi asia enti okwa obekun kroye tibuno I say we don't care adia ya adia fa ni say computer ya and your president go for na dey buy ya no for over 12 years we cannot even master it. Over 12 what can say mrebi akwa bi na we nyina de aye joke say wo se ye nchen baby a computer wo no nkonko kire no tu kwan ba ye se akwa bi abakrom ye friend no computer no kro ne hwan enye maniwu all these years akrachefo mo so ya na ma kogege pdm de munuma no akwantuo by heart workshop and she saying practicality 0 mo ko hwe de ebinim ye SAT results, SAT amount for a per mobile improvement. Because America, you're jailing Crawford, and Crawford that's what try. I go forward try. Say, see, I'm making. Yet, Kroma, yan canocre, yan canocre. As some of the bar, you're back canocre, yan canocre, near plenty at Obi. Then you be a mere GS. Accra, New Bissau, the what would be the motivation? Because say, what catch me say, mirror score. I say a question. Na say me question na kase me nya 1D. Na me kola say me san come to school. Why do I have to learn again? What is the motivation? Encouragement when moto on pay for mo ko secondary school. Sani ye ma nka mo du bi am wo no. Mo na mo ka no. Mo ko secondary school. Sani adi ye ma anka mo ka bebi am wo no e ho na mo wo. Ghana say anema ye tete no. Na nyansa wom chen de ye ni sesei no. O ka yan mi enka. How? Now assuming say de ye kura no. said the whole any peg must computer 4 and you when come with the computer baby 50 and 100 and then can call and come yes and can computer 4 over any pa baby 5,000 now the computer 4 how do you expect say or mobile me say I say and any panel nipa bako any pa 100 with the computer 50 bar nipa 100 don't go nipa bako so Monsieur Nyansa, na munya kasa no doso. Na munya juma. They said there, mu koji ska fra brochia, mu de bagana na. Broni no, wonya juma nkeska nka wonya bi. Ah. Etia for mumrem 0302 216545. 0302 216546. 0302 216546. 0302 216545. Yeah, technocrats na mo Ghana no. Behave like technocrats and work well for Mother Ghana. Namunya say 1 2 3. Namakoshe party t-shirt. Namudi din se muhunu no. Hello.
Former Kumasa Santi Kotoko management member.
Menyo de. Men tweet maso.
Kofi capito.
Men tweet maso.
But also your former Kumasa Santi Kotoko management member na meboa.
Me pacho an.
You from me Maxwell agege too.
Say my say me me how Max said say.
Me pacho me hoye pa na pacho nso e.
Boko.
Me aba Queensta me fi atima peja pacho ho ane hoye.
Wo fra peja ana Queensta ana wo fra peja ba ho mre me hwi. Wo tia?
Nichiano. Me nya ni fi kro ba ko.
Yo.
What can say me ho adwiri mi o. O my Ghana kakrakai. Ni afre awofo akwa kugina awie yi mu e di computer himakoma akwan 4 and 9.
Can you imagine?
Jesus Christ.
Na nyi wani wonu ma betra studio ha no mo e di blame Emma awofo.
Ye Tony saying keep back ayo omoje ni sen ayo omoje. O man ejapade o man school free education e ka o man pani airborne eti o man eti no eti yentumi nto computer makoma ako enipa dudu e bai 100 28 mi tokogo mpacho tokogo ne dia adwuma ni wie hwan dia
aban dia
eradi nyakopo me da so ai
thank you miss enra na me pese me kaka asa bebre ntia
capito
hey Krista agberefu owo sika pa she woye yo entrepreneur Krista me hu agberefu adwuma wo entrepreneur
capito
agberefu wezo
I don't know where the loan of a chama.
Me say near where we did here.
With us. Capito, me na say me trust you about self on school no. First have a policy stream. Na omo mu die ni ma say honorable no. No mu fa hye fa bi to ha. E kwan ya bibi sanye de enko emma bio. Wo say ka say me say people ade fa technical omu ni. Na certificate wa so so yin ya do mu obi degree be mu obi. Now they say technical no omunisa idea no anu ade ba kweta ha omuno no na wo me say for no free education and access school assembly unye yi politics na pay for international share papa on bet me da ba be ko school na kan ko because okay we say old in days no anu kre adije ni ho ade ma bet da ka old day ho bet ma ye da aje ma ye old days na perfect na me ade omu yes because politics so madwe ana tribalism omujo party which o man no e say we say the ekoso me da say
agberefu the odiso right 0302 216 hello yes sir
good afternoon Gaupi
me Joseph also
where is
Razak
Gaupi
yes sir
Gaupi I know say okay and also a man for back out there and a man for against you I know the interview na mo ye no
me bu agban
I know interview. What this is how man emfa still oma.
How?
This is no money in emfa. I know say interview Kumasi back wo Kumasi. What you dey? Oma man na meet e man ko. E ko pito ni ma by oba you to anis. O si on fan ko hin. This is ni na wan fa. It is still muti ho. We bibi fan kala na o ko. Na mo get say that you put no what for computers. Abba for computers. Nti omu nyina to oji pedim omu nyina jisika eye djuma eti omuka eji travel alawa for computer
Razak unim ni kan say ase Ghana ye nsue nyansa wo de emergency aba asama ba granted na solution a mo de be solve ni say mo de 4 computers and na cost solve ni pa be 10,000 for asem
so I do mo ko bubusia ko mo so mo ni pa be 1,000 na ni pa be 5 na
en fi o yo Mati yo yeah hello mami ready social media kakra amount for the near eba scriptures asari dansoma or say hey asemo Kwame Nikwe all the leaders they're going to be in Kasa Oro Sani Abacha I can't disagree with the protocol. It's the canker in all this. The authorities that should sit up. Okay, yate. Nana Owusu OPD at Sunyani. In fact, the excuses are too much. Most parents and the students are stranded in a strange place. I agree with you. Shelter. Senor Dovi, good afternoon. Some people just want to sabotage government. Munya sanse mfuna mokano. Why? Sanse mfuna mokano munya. Diabano no. Hello.
Dovi.
Yeah.
I'm chatting with you for
Emmanuel.
Within the Emmanuel
Maka, what do politics about me you wait for so?
Sophie, but now make statement, but it's a lie. Which
is what? Who they tell me? Lie now.
Say
lie now. Me
just a bunch of colors.
No, say lie now. Wait, you. Are you going to call the liar that I told? If you are, I will let you talk.
Let him talk finish.
I will not let you talk. I will not let you talk unless you tell me, say, Mimi a liar. This is my show. Let me tell you, Ima, let me. Me too. Me say what you can. Neja some of us. What you can.
Ya but tell me say Kobi. Pato Ghana constitution na yedu akuri omai obi.
Me obi pa.
Obi. And then I can't education. My person man go Canada na phone night here because I now can already so say. The person progressive education any your constitution mu by obi adi okofa baye. The person you are no has a new constitution.
Why kofa baye?
Okay.
Why kofa baye?
What say obi na kofa na adi baye?
Mami catch mami catch ncho. Many abrepa. Mimpe MPP. Mami catch some ncho. Mami catch some ncho. Mimpe MPP. Any NDC sem. I will show you so. As my work you are going there and you're Ghana me pacho if you don't know the constitution go and read it again. Who dey koso?
Oh, Kofi,
Messi, go and read it again. Koso.
Oh, Kofi. Mama come asem. The other person make answer Kofi. Yeah, your friend say we need a power we are. Did you check appointment yeah na? Go for the best appointment and then must send you na koso. Over the years, in perform my juma. Our education center hono. San komo ba na komo asesa ma komo ma omu san konkofode da no ho na komo use some express e dey aba da for no ma ba aka ko fi sa ya fence calls nyama e ko so nei ya din kwa lani awu fa ko da so mu kwate ayi worldwide a football team o so ma ko ku e fence we aka ba ko so
e ma meti me bi se wase me pa cho
mi sa meti o
enti o pa je se aban we su nkwa no ba ya o ma te san crofo na
asema mekan man ka ta ba wo
Amen. Mumye nyai sadie because me no ya adwene because obi ye bi and obi so be ye bi and obi so gu so eye me no ya adwene 100% ba ya mama man nye se nipa ba ko asem Ghana asem ye nyina de awo at the end of the day se kumba Ghana ha se nso to Ghana ha se mrunkum bi so Ghana ha no ma e be ka ye nyina wo Mesremo. You do election now. Near your politics. say ye dwene hawa ye be build Ghana ya to abawie wumpo na nado na president wumpo MPP for na wa ba mu. Hello. Good afternoon, Pacho.
Afternoon, Jackosi.
Pacho, me you about koso. Mama nyako.
Eja.
Etise.
Adomo now say.
Mama koso.
Na ewie na kofi baboni aka no honse.
Mama debi ya na me ya say on. Sebi se e be ka Ghana asem. Ni e ka obi a ono kura onwene wo ho. Mama de me ka what you say. Sebi se mo se kura no anipa no wi eska no o ma wo bi di e.
Debio.
Nya sasem kakra.
No ne asemu. Kofi abata su wo fie mu. Enye bi ni obi gina ho keka. Ati obi enim sese ne banya good school kwa. Eni aka ni nyina ye free bonus man. Na den na sese obi a ono atese o hihye se wenkwa han. Eti mi sese obi sebre.
Mami.
So, ni adi sene sa yesi di jawa ni adi asoa. Wana kofa bai akofa we nyina aba. Efi yeti yakatwa me so a yedi sa placement bai. The brain number says see a coba be me a yes placement in any account.
Mammy. Oh, Mammy Yakoko so line oko. Here, Mummy Nyai Sanya Mano. It here for Mraso Sports Papanaba. Me won't trick you okoye na on the chairman in the bedroom come. Can you and say, who can say, one can say,